Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to session 2 with Richa, where we talk about positivity, motivation, how to let go of things in our life. Since last 1.5 months of lockdown, I have learned a lot. There are many things that I have self-realized. One of the most important things that I have learned is to value human emotion. It's not that we never used to value that before, but somehow we have become more kind, tolerant and value each other's feelings more now. Since last few days, we have seen people around us going away, leaving us forever. And what leaves behind and is left behind is the false ego. The false ego that we carry on with us, that becomes our enemy both internally and externally. Now it is up to us how to ward off those demons inside us and come out as a positive human being. Based on that, let me share with all of us a few lines. Keep the flame alight. Fight on and courage aligned. Spread the light, taking away darkness. Removing shadows, replacing with fullness. Splitting across, moving leaps and bounds. Brightness all over, faith around. Bringing new hope, new channels of energy. Flowing in a synergy of positivity, grace and poise. Giving me strength which destroys helplessness around. Igniting me with happiness and peace profound. So friends, it is basically up to us how to find happiness, peace and solace inside us. Let us try to be happy and bring the happiness to everyone's life who is around us. Let us go of all the false egos, negativity and unhappiness around us and bring the light of joy, peace around. There is a wisdom, some of the lines on wisdom which I have penned down. Although all of us are individually responsible for us, but still I have tried to share my thoughts with all of us. Basking in the brilliance, absorbing the illuminescence, here I sit, asking for more. Let the brightness engulf me to every core. The fresh raindrops falling, defying all worries and bringing in musical ring. Dewdrops so fresh, making me drop from the behest, giving me a clarity, a vision, envisaging me towards a decision, towards humanity, towards kindness, towards the core, the wisdom of fineness. So let us all be with each other, hold each other's hand, help each other in these tough times. We see a small ray of positivity and hope coming from this Monday, where the nation has been opened up as red, orange and green zone. Friends, please remember, government has given us restrictions, Corona has not. Please be careful, abide by all the rules. We all want all the zones to become green as soon as possible. Hence, let us help each other, abide by the rules, bring in positivity. We are strong and we will emerge out stronger from this. This too shall pass. Thank you everyone. Stay strong. We'll meet again very soon. Namaste. Have a good day. Bye.